Buying your first knife can be pretty intimidating. A quick Google search for advice will give you over 30 million results. KnifeCenter is here to summarize the most useful information for you and to make sure you choose a knife that best fits your lifestyle. An EDC, otherwise known as an everyday carry, is any knife or tool that you find so essential that you want it in your pocket or purse, you guessed it, every day. For many, this is a folding knife or a pocket knife because of their compact size. Folding knives are great to have on hand for daily cutting tasks like opening packages or slicing fruit, but they also come in handy in emergency situations. If you're looking for a discreet self-defense tool, a folding knife can be a good choice. You can hide one in your pocket, and the design of many models means you'll be able to open them quickly with one hand. If you love the outdoors and are looking for a knife that would be great to take camping, hunting, fishing, or hiking, you'll want something a little more robust than a folding knife. A fixed blade knife can tackle tough tasks like cutting branches, building shelters, digging, skinning animals, and filleting fish. Fixed blades come in a wide variety of models like neck knives, boot knives, push knives, karambits, and many other types that make for a great self-defense or survival knife. These knives come in a large range of sizes too, so you'll be able to find the right fit for both small and large hands. Some people prefer a fixed blade for their EDC because they like to attach the sheath to their belt or pocket. Some people also think that they make a better self-defense tool because you can pull them so easily from their sheath. Multi-tools come in handy for both EDC and outdoor use. They have a variety of tools that can include screwdrivers, knife blades, files, saws, bottle openers, nail trimmers, and more. If you're someone that regularly needs to make small repairs, or an electrician that cuts wires, a tinkerer, or a frequent self-groomer, a multi-tool is a good fit for you. You may already be familiar with famous multi-tool brands like Leatherman and Swiss Army, who have pioneered some of the most commonly used multi-tool designs in the industry. Choosing your first knife isn't just a one-off, it's the start of a new hobby that will give you years of work and enjoyment. KnifeCenter is the original and largest online catalog of knives anywhere in the world, and we're constantly updating our website and YouTube channel with new videos and tutorials, so check back often. Thanks for watching.